You know, I don't know if you guys can tell the difference or not, but I can.
She is dirty. There ain't no other word for it. And it's a pickup.
Straight up. I think they're done with their testing over here. Test patches. Mark mixing up all kinds of pre-sprays. He's gonna do some testing with some new products. Dry passes, which nobody on planet Earth wants to watch.
Yeah. All right, had about as much dwell time as I want. Well, that'd be nice. Experimental booster going right now.
Yeah, it smells good. Snow and ice. Lakes are still froze over. You should get a bigger lens.
Oh, you're pulling carpet right out of there.
Yeah, it's on.
Hey everybody, welcome to Saiger Steam Clean. Welcome to the channel. This here video, Aaron decided to break into getting a bunch of cleaning done in the side room. This was the easy stuff. This is a little preview behind the scenes what's coming up on Saturday's video. Wait till you see what the other rooms hold.
As you guys see, it's party time. It's time to party in the restaurant, Grease. This backside's not as dirty as the rest of it, so I'm using up the rest of my Saiger Sauce 1 from my jobs earlier today, and I think it should just be fine back here. Cut it just fine. Mark's mixing up all kinds of pre-sprays, and he's gonna do some testing with some new products, I think. So they'll be playing back there somewhere. Gonna be super spinning. I got my pressure cranked up to about 850 right now. We'll see how that does. Should be just fine. That guy right there, that's Brady. In case you didn't know him. Ooh. Yeah, I got about 8 feet outside I can pull in. I left myself short with some hose. I'm rolling with the Haida hose today. Do I need it? No. Am I gonna use it? Yep. Whack. Thud.
That van finally getting hot?
It was hot already. My spinners weren't going at first, so I couldn't figure out why.
Got the pressure up?
I already turned it up. But I cleaned them out.
Yeah.
And I was wondering if I didn't rinse it out good enough after cleaning it out. Because I was picking a bunch of hair and crap out of there.
Okay.
But they're going now.
So there you are.
You're on camera right there too.
Cool.
This right here,
Yeah.
Saiger Sauce 1.
Is that right?
Yep. From earlier today.
Red?
That's not code red.
Gee. Well, we're going to be probably using code red out there.
Out there you're gonna need it, yep.
Straight up, Saiger Sauce 1 here.
Straight up.
So now that you got my best on camera, I'll be.
Cruising. I'm gonna get all my passes here, my dry passes done, and well, maybe we'll go see what Mark's doing over here. What's that smell over here?
What's that?
So what's that smell over here?
You smell something more orangish?
More citrusy.
Yeah. Experimental. Experimental. We have an experimental booster going right now, but
Yeah, it smells good.
it's still got a bunch of citrus though.
You should get a bigger lens.
I do. Need a bigger lens.
Let me see what you got going.
Alright, we've had about as much dwell time as I want. So, turn it on. 500 PSI. No pre-spray over there. I had a squirt spot over here somewhere. Alright, here we go. Don't even know if it's had enough time. She is dirty. There ain't no other word for it. And it's a pickup. People ask why we don't agitate. Well,
I'm going back to my side. You guys have fun with that.
yeah.
I got all the tables moved over. I got this half pre-sprayed. Now I'm gonna clean that. These guys back here, I think they're done with their testing over here. There's their test patches. Where should I set you? Mark's gonna start cleaning now, or what? The testing is over with for now. Until we go to the bar. Yeah, you can, yeah. It's dirty. Brown water going through the hose. "35 degrees out at 10 o'clock. I think we're almost done with the bad weather here, or the winter I should say. I think next week's supposed to hit 70s. I think last night it was down to like 12 degrees, so it was still cold last night. We still got snow on the ground. Snow and ice. Lakes are still froze over. Not for long though. Alright, that's that. Dry passes. Which nobody on planet Earth wants to watch.
Say pow? I said ka-chow. Ka-chow. Alright. Alright. Kaboom. Kaboom. We got all kinds of things going here.
You know, I don't know if you guys can tell a difference or not, but I can.
My big handsome way now. Out of the shadow. Look at that.
Mark's over there
Take
talking
it
about
again.
his
Right
big
down.
hand.
One more time. That is so darn thick. Yeah, that's going to be a definite pre-spray and clean point at least. Almost 8 months of it. Yeah. That's 8 months of it right there. Look. Yeah. Well, that's not bad on the other edge there.
What are you guys doing over there?
We're making a mess. So let's see, on the other edge, my shot is super fast in. Let's add a little more well time.
I just hit Brady with a carrot.
Let's have my head wall take a little more pre-spray back in. Wow. Okay, yeah, the dead center is where it's really tough right now. Okay, that's pretty darn good on the first half. I like that.
He likes it. We're not going to work right now.
No.
Yeah, Mark likes it.
Yeah, that was.
Yeah. Come run this camera, Mark, so I can clean where it's at.
You want to do what now?
I said, come run this camera so I can clean where it's sitting.
This Osmo Pocket 3.
Yep, that's a nice little camera.
It's a great little camera.
There may be video footage of me throwing a wet carrot and hitting Brady with it on camera.
Oh, really? I might find that for a bloopers reel someday.
Oh, what? I hit you with a carrot bends over there. Do you see it? There's a little carrot. It's about this big. Well, orange carrot, I threw it from here, and it hit you in the leg. Yeah, I didn't feel wrong. I like art. It's on film.
It's on film.
I like it.
All right.
We got it on VHS.
Here we go.
I gotta clean all this corner out now.
Okay, you go clean that corner. I'll keep that there.
Slide it.
Oh, that'd be nice. Oh, you pulled the carpet right out of there. All right. Shutting your camera off. Well, again, everybody, thanks for checking out the channel. Really appreciate you being here. Comments, thumbs up, likes. But hey, come on back Saturday for the full video. This is just the warm-up. You are not going to believe what we run into on the next video and the next part of this job. See you then. Here come the puppies. No code yet. Awesome. Oh, that's so nice. Trying to back out with those little things. That helps. Whoa! Jeez Louise. I heard you all the way from here. How do you expect me to get any work done? How do you expect Mom to get any work done? We're already ripping it apart some more. I know it's where I park it.
Chips down here?
There's a couple little things. No, that's just corner guard things, but yeah. Dirty. Going for a walk, I take it, huh?
Well, just enough to let these guys walk.
All right. Well, let me keep digging in here since I'm trying to get the code out of the supercharger before I go on that trip with Vice Grip Garage. Yeah. Okay. See you all later. Bye. Bulldog. Oh my gosh. Wild woman.